Welcome to the course navigation video. In this video, you will find the best way to view the content of the course. Please note that your course is going to be a little slightly different than this one. You will have the name of the course and your reference number here. To best view the content of the course, what you want to do is click Content in the blue toolbar. When you do that, you'll notice a table of contents comes up on your left-hand side. This unit, we're in the Syllabus Start Here unit. And you're going to see everything that's in this unit contained right here. Again, we're at the course navigation video, and here's a little note. Watch this video to discover the best way to view the content of the course. Course syllabus, read the syllabus for course details, schedule, due dates, overall course policies, and expectations. So when you view the content from this side, you get little tips on what to expect in the unit. Now let me take you to an actual unit. We'll click on Unit 1. And here's the introduction. It says select Unit 1 to begin. Here's our ebook. And now here's a little note for you. It has 31 pages. This is a website. It's a supplemental website that walks you through the concepts of Unit 1. It should take you approximately 1 hour to complete. So on this side of the course, we have little tips in here for you to discover, like what you have to do, how long it's going to take. We have a Unit 1 scenario that you'll have to do. We have the quizzes that you'll have to complete. And we have a discussion. But you get to see everything that's in the unit right here. And so let me start at the beginning. We can click the Intro to Unit 1. What you're going to do is you're going to read through this, and I give you a breakdown of how long everything should take you to complete in the course so you could schedule for your whole week. To view through the content, you want to click your little next arrow. And here's where the ebook is. It takes a few minutes to come up, but it's an ebook, and to go through this ebook, you can either click on the page and it'll take you through it, or you could use the little buttons on the bottom to go to the next step. You can play the videos right from here. You can click on the page again to go to the next page. But again, like we read earlier, it's 31 pages long. So right now I'm going to go to the next area of what's in the unit, and it was that supplemental website. And so now that appears, and you can go through this. I'm just going to close out of this window, and we'll keep on continuing to go through the unit. We have our Unit 1 scenario, which will pop up. And it does take a little bit to download, but that is okay. It'll eventually come up. Here we go. And you would hit the Start button to start this scenario. So again, to click the Next button to see what is next in Unit 1. We have the quiz. And here you get 3 attempts to complete the quiz. There's 20 questions, multiple choice. We're going to go to the next one. Here is your discussion posting, and it gives you everything. It gives you the questions, everything we're looking for, steps to complete this discussion. You get a grading discussion rubric and the discussion requirement page. So you want to make sure you read both of them before you start your discussion posting. Next, I'm going to go to, here's your assignment. So each unit, again, I'm going to click on it, is set up the same exact way. We can go to Unit 2. Again, it tells you, here's your introduction. It tells you about the ebook. This ebook has 91 pages. Here's your scenario, your quiz, your discussion, and your assignment. I hope you find this video helpful. Good luck in the course.